Master Importing Building Materials, a Guide. Welcome back to our channel, where we discuss all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be diving into the process for importing goods subject to construction and building materials regulations. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the specific regulations for importing construction and building materials, let's briefly recap what customs brokerage is all about. Customs brokerage is a profession that involves facilitating the import and export of goods by ensuring compliance with customs laws and regulations. A customs broker acts as a bridge between importers and government agencies, helping navigate the complex world of international trade. One crucial aspect of customs brokerage is the customs bond. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures the payment of duties, taxes, and fees associated with importing goods. When importing goods subject to construction and building materials regulations, having a customs bond is mandatory. It is a legal requirement that protects both the government and the importer. Without a customs bond, it is impossible to clear your goods through customs. Now let's discuss the Importer Security Filing, commonly known as ISF. The ISF is another vital part of the importing process, especially for goods subject to construction and building materials regulations. The ISF is a filing that must be submitted to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, at least 24 hours before the vessel departs from its foreign port. It contains important information about the goods being imported, such as the shipper, consignee, and the contents of the shipment. This filing ensures that CBP has all the necessary data to identify high-risk shipments and ensure the security of the supply chain. Construction and building materials regulations are put in place to ensure safety and compliance with national standards. When importing goods subject to these regulations, it is essential to be aware of the specific requirements and standards that apply. Some common construction and building materials regulations cover areas such as fire safety, structural stability, electrical systems, and environmental impact. These regulations aim to protect consumers and the environment, promoting responsible construction practices. To successfully navigate the importing process for construction and building materials, compliance and proper documentation are crucial. Firstly, ensure that the goods you are importing meet all applicable safety and quality standards. Any non-compliant items may be subject to detention or even destruction by customs authorities. Secondly, make sure you have all the necessary documentation, including commercial invoices, packing lists, bills of lading, and certificates of origin. These documents provide evidence of the goods' value, quantity, and origin, and they are required for customs clearance. Given the complexity of the customs process, it is highly recommended to work with a professional customs broker when importing goods subject to construction and building materials regulations. A customs broker brings expertise and knowledge, ensuring a smooth and efficient importing experience. A skilled customs broker can help you navigate regulations, ensure compliance, and handle all the necessary paperwork on your behalf. They can also provide guidance on customs duties, taxes, and fees associated with your import. In conclusion, importing goods subject to construction and building materials regulations requires careful attention to detail, compliance with regulations, and the use of a customs broker. By understanding the customs brokerage process, having a customs bond in place, submitting the Importer Security Filing, ISF, and adhering to construction and building materials regulations, you can successfully import these goods while ensuring safety and compliance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage, international trade, and all things related. Disclaimer note below. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.